Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is physics frictional force. Okay, Newton's laws of motion. Topic is class 11th level. Find the acceleration of the two blocks shown in figure. Find the friction force between all contact surfaces. Okay, so this problem is very interesting problem. So let us first calculate limiting and kinetic friction between. So in here solution, in here you can get two type of friction. One is limiting friction, another is kinetic friction. Okay, so let's draw free body diagram. So when I apply 5 Newton force, then I get acceleration E in here, and when I apply 10 Newton force, then we get in here a frictional force F, kinetic frictional force Fk. Okay, so limiting friction and kinetic friction. Okay, between 3 kg on the and ground, 3 kg and ground, between 3 kg and ground. What happened? Between 3 kg and ground we get limiting friction FL1, okay, equals to kinetic friction Fk1 equal to mu into 2 plus 3 gram, 2 plus 3 gram. So in here you see 0.1 frictional force. So 0.1 into 5 into G. So it is 5 Newton. And between 2 and 3 kg, okay, frictional force between 2 and 3 kg, okay, 2 and 3 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg, we get FL2 is equal to Fk2, frictional force FL2 Fk2. So in here you get frictional force also in here, so it is Fk2, and limiting friction equals to kinetic friction. So in both case we get mu2 into 2 into G, because you know, whatever you know that this is the frictional force, frictional derivatives, this is the normal reaction N, and F is my frictional force. So and mu is equal to coefficient of friction. So formula, what is the formula? F is equal to mu N. Okay, this formula is this concept is very important for solving frictional problem. So mu2 into 2g. So mu2 into 2g means in here you get mu2 value is 0.2 is given. Mu2 value is 0.2 into given into 2 into g. So it is 4 Newton. Now let us first assume that both blocks move together with common acceleration A. Okay, common acceleration okay, common acceleration A. So A is equal to common acceleration. So total force. What is my total force? My total force is the total frictional force. This is my total frictional force. Okay, total force. So whatever I get, A is equal to 5 plus 10. Okay, this is my total force, because you see my total force is equal to 5 plus 10 minus Fk1, because Fk1 is in this way. Fk1, this is the frictional force. Frictional force, total force minus frictional force divided by weight of the mass of the mass is 2 plus 3, because we know this formula, because 2 F is equal to ma by the Newton's law. So it is 15, and Fk1 value is my 5. So divide by 5, you got 2 meter per second square. Okay, so let us see how much friction force is required between 2 kg and 3 kg. Okay, so 2 kg and 3 kg, this is the my mass is 2 kg. This is the 5 Newton. Acceleration A, and frictional force of course in this way, F2. So 5 minus F2 is equal to 2 into A. So 5 minus F2 is equal to 2 into 2. So my F2 is equal to 1 Newton. So F2 is equal to 1 Newton. So what is the answer? Answer is A is equal to acceleration of the two blocks. A is equal to 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square, and find the frictional force between all contact surface. So all contact surface is first is 2 and 3 kg, between 2 and 3 kg 1 Newton, and another is 3 kg and ground, this is the 5 Newton. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Very interesting exercise.